guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the fourth episode of this monochromatic passion series. So today's video is going to be all about oranges. Or not. Okay, so joke aside, I will be creating a look using only one shadow, and today's color is orange, and I will be using this eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, and I will take this orange shade from here to create today's look. So I'll go ahead and take a pencil brush, this one from BH Cosmetics in the number 8. It is from the Pro Brush line, and I will take the orange shade and I will pack the color here into the outer part of my eye. And with the help of a fluffy brush, this one from BH Cosmetics Pro line number 6, I will blend the edges. And using a smudger brush, this one from Zoeva 226, I'll take the same orange shade and apply it here on the lower lash line. And now I'll apply some mascara, and I'll take this one from Maybelline and apply that on my upper and lower lashes. And for lipstick, obviously I'm going to be using an orange shade, and I have this one from Maybelline number 080, and it's called Arousing Orange. So this is the final result using the darkest orange color from this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below if you liked it, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I will see you tomorrow with another monochromatic makeup. Bye!